What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy LIDO DAO tokens on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that you can select the buy and sell option on the right top corner. Click on that and now the purchasing overview will be opened. As you can see, the one-time purchase frequency is selected, so we will make a one-time purchase for now. If you would like to have a different purchasing frequency, just click on it. And as you can see, there are different options like a daily, weekly, twice a month or a monthly option. After you have selected that, you can fill in the amount of euros or dollars you would like to use for this purchase. Let's say 100 euros for an example. And after that, you can select the asset we would like to buy. Click on the asset and now fill in a LIDO, and there is the LIDO DAO token. Click on it, and after that we can select our payment method. As you can see, I'm using my MasterCard, but if you would like to use a different payment method, just click on it, and after that the payment method list will be opened. If you don't have any available options over here, then first check if your Coinbase account is verified. That is one important task to do before you start buying crypto on Coinbase. And after that, you can add a payment method by clicking add a payment method on the button below. Now we head back to the review order, click on it. And now they will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm spending 100 euros on this coin and I don't pay any Coinbase fees. That is because I have a Coinbase One subscription, and then you get rid of all those Coinbase fees. It's getting very expensive if you buy a lot of crypto on a weekly or daily base, so make sure you check that out. And after that, we have also an option to invest on a weekly base. If you would like to buy for 100 euros of these coins every week, then select this button to the yes option and you can cancel it at any time. After that, click on buy now to add those coins to your Coinbase account, and then you successfully bought the LDO coin. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys. Bye bye.